Sometimes you may want to initialize an object by setting the property names dynamically using strings defined somewhere else. You can use ES6's computed property names for this. In this quick tips episode, you will learn how. Keep watching! Hi there! I'm Manuel Gutierrez from thelighthouse.co, and in this quick tips series, I will share snackable videos focusing on just one feature or problem. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe and the bell notification buttons below so you don't miss a thing. Let's start! I am going to use the browser for this video. So let's head to either Chrome or Firefox and open the developer tools. This can be accomplished by pressing the F12 key on your Windows machine or the Function and F12 keys on your Mac. Finally, click on the Console tab. Let's say that you have a string value stored on a variable, and that you want to use that value as a dynamic property name when initializing an object. For that, you just need to define the property name starting by using first an opening bracket, the expression that will become the property's name, a closing bracket, and as always, a colon and the value that you want to set for the property. Then, when you want to get the value for the property, you just need to take the object and either use the dot notation with the string contained inside the variable, or the bracket notation with the actual variable. You could also perform operations inside the brackets, like a simple concatenation or a more complex expression. As before, you can get the values by, for example, using the object, the dot notation, and the final name for the property. You can also use computed property names when defining classes. So, for example, here I define a method name by using brackets and a variable as before. You can do the same for getters or setters by first typing, for example, get, then the brackets, and inside it the expression that will return the string that we want to use as its name. Then, with an instance of the class, we can use the bracket notation with the variable's name to call the method, or the dot notation with the variable's string value to call the getter. Awesome! Congratulations and thanks for watching! You can join the free mini course associated with this video by clicking on the link in the description below. Share any comments or suggestions about the series or future topics. And if you like the video, also hit the like button below.